Andromeda short wig for black women. That's kind of all they put.
Words of my homie Keith. I got it. Let's try it and rate it 1 through 10.
I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. Yeah.
They put on Amazon again. This was going viral, so we'll see how this. And this is not a half wig; it's a full wig. But we'll get into it.
It was at this moment that she knew. She up.
Now, don't even say nothing, because I know what you're gonna say already.
All right, you guys. So I got sent 2 wigs from that same company, right? I know Lia bought hers outright or whatever. Cool, girl. I ain't got it. I'm broke. I'm broke. You see oodles and noodles? That wig, I got it in a 1B, and then the other one is supposed to be like a purple color. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. I know this is bad for me, y'all. I already know, okay? So, the wigs, it is giving like a 70s vibe, but a 70s vibe would be cute, right? And we do the makeup and stuff like that, you feel me? So, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put my makeup on real quick. And then we're gonna see what this gonna do. That be good though. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna try the black one first. Okay. The net off. Come on, let me go. Okay. This is it. Here's Curly Sue. I am so nervous, y'all. I ain't lying, because this could really go bad. Lia, you could be right. You could be right. Okay. Let me see. They got the little, you know, the little standard cap construction for these regular ass wigs. You know what I'm saying? And okay, I just put it on the last class because, you know, it's fine. Let's see. That's what it is. It's coming out. It's really soft, you guys. It does have a nice texture. Like, I ain't gonna lie, it's real soft. It feels good. Okay, I'm not gonna fluff this part out too much. I think I already did it too much. Okay. The more you finger comb it, the bigger it does get. Okay. Ooh, wait. The lashes and the hair is too much. Okay. 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 It's starting to do something. You know? Okay. I'm gonna have to bring this back together because I feel like that's too big. But the rest of it, let me see. Let me see. See, you know, when you in your 20s, you know what I'm saying? 20s, 16, 17 even, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can do this because it's giving, ooh, I'm giving vintage. But when I do it at 39, it's a very big possibility that it's gonna give, bitch, I am vintage. You feel me? And that's not what we be going for. So let me see. Let's get that back together. Because I feel like I shouldn't have finger combed those. Okay, hold on. Coming out in. Okay. Now where did you go? You supposed to be in here. Okay. I'm not mad at this, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Like, it would be cute on some pictures. I love it. Now that I brought the bang down. You feel me? I don't even think I need to trim it. Girl, this is cute. Girl, this is cute. Let me take some pictures real quick. I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad. I'm not mad at this. Now, would I go in the grocery store? No. But would I do TikToks? You know what I'm saying? Yes. OnlyFans? Yes. See, I'm just taking pictures with my phone and I'm on Snapchat. I feel like I give a little bit more on the filter. And I think that's because it makes me look a little younger on the filter. But, baby, it's good, man. Let's take that one off. Okay. It is a lot hot and it's heavy. When I say it is so full, it is so full. And it's soft. I'm not mad at it, Leah. I'm not mad at it. You needed to just give it a little bit more, more care. You feel me? Like, okay. Let's do this one. Let's do this one. Let's do this one. Let's do this one. Like, it's definitely not. It's definitely not, I'm just gonna put it on and go. No. You gotta put some makeup on. Like, it's for a look. You feel me? It's for a look. It's not for every day. It's for a look. You feel me? That's what I feel. Let me see. Little costume stuff, you know. I'm adjusting the straps because this one was like all the way in the center at the tightest. I mean, I know I got a little pea head, but come on. It's got combs in here, but I would never use. Here we go. Y'all like it? Y'all like it? Oh shit. Y'all almost failed. Y'all alright? Y'all had something right? Okay. I'm so tired of them dogs. Oh my God. My neighbors and their canines. Get them under control. Sincerely. Me. Okay. And be careful around this bang area. You know, it's giving Candyland. Okay. This one, as you finger comb it, it gets a little like stringy. I see that. It don't like finger comb as easy as the black one. It does it, but it's taking a little bit. Oh, you feel me? Y'all see that? You see that black one did not do that. This one's doing that though. I don't know, like, I don't know. Let's see. You see what I'm saying? Like, right here is you know what I'm saying? It's not doing what I want. You feel me? But like when I go to like a social media or something, you know what I'm saying? Like a Snapchat or something with some effects, or a TikToks, even Instagram, like I feel like it give, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm saying. Like it's a look. Like I'm finna get in the camera and take some cute pictures, or even go to one of those, you know, them spots that you go to that got all the backgrounds and shit, selfie studio, you know. That's what I feel like it's for. But I'm gonna throw this on real quick and go, you know, to the grocery store, get me some collard greens and stuff. No, it's not for that. But for serving a look though, it's very much conserved. It very much can show up and give you a little something. You know what I'm saying? So, okay, let me see how this gonna look on the media. Let's see. Can you see? Yeah. You feel me? This is cute. Look. It's like even the younger ones, like, I won't say all of them, but a majority of them, they using filters to put it out on social media. This is, you know, we real is you and I. But, you know what I'm saying? Like, come on now. You like, put some up. That'll probably be cute with the black one. But I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad. Okay? Like, it could have been so much worse. Anyway, let me know what y'all think, what y'all thoughts on these two wigs. I'll drop the link down where I contacted them on Amazon. No, freak. Shoot. I contacted them on IG, but I know they have a link somewhere. So if y'all want the wigs, I'll put it down in the description box. If y'all haven't seen the original video of Lia Lavon, y'all got to go check that out, because homie's funny. Like, she funny as hell. But Lia, what you think? You think it's, what you think? You think it's still giving, you know, salt, peppermint in the bottom of the purse? I mean, at least Virginia Slims. At least. Anyway, I love y'all. I love hanging with y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and share it with a friend. And if you haven't subscribed, go do so, please. Join the family, because I love to see y'all. I love to interact with y'all. I'll holla. Bye.
I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. Yeah. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. No. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing.